So now let's look at some example possible questions when it comes to what chemical bonding. Example possible question, JAMB what chemistry. And these questions are from JAMB past questions. So questions like this, these are questions I want to see. So it's under writing of binary what ionic compound. I've done the first video on how to what write binary what ionic compounds. Right, the first two videos. If you've not checked out those videos, please go check out those videos because they're going to give you what a couple ideas on how to tackle what this question. But in this video, I want to take what step by step. So you want to stick to the end of this video. So now, the base of this class is going to be valency. That is going to be the base of this class here. Now, valency is the combining power of an element either to form chemical bond to other elements. So atoms can either lose, gain, or share their valence electron in order to obtain the octet electron. Do you understand? So metals will always lose their atomos electron, that their valence electron, to form a positive charge, right? So why non-metals we gain electron to the atom's electron to form the octet electron. So this is a fundamental concept I'm going to use in this video, right? So it's called valency, the combining power, right? So now look at this one here. See that element X has atomic number 11. What is the formula of its chloride, right? So an element X with the atomic number 11, right? What is the formula of its chloride? So an element X combined with chlorine, right? Combined with what? With chlorine. Combined with chlorine, which is what? The atomic number of chlorine is what? Is 17. Can you see that? So what is valence electron of what is what? What is the valence electron? So what is the combining power of X and what is the combining power of what? Of chlorine? Do you understand? Now this way I want to use the old electronic configuration, which is what? 2, 8, 8, 2. I believe you understand so here, right? So you are using here for the first 20 element, for the first 20 elements. What does it mean? If at the first share we take 2 electrons, the second share will take 8 electrons, the third share will take 8 electrons. Now this one it fits for what we are trying to do here. Just so the element S, the atomic number is what? Is 11, right? In a neutral atom, the atomic number also is same as the electron number, right? So it means that the electron number is what? Is 11. So now let's write the configuration of this one here, so I can know the combining power. Let's know if the atom will lose or gain electron in order to form the octet electron, right? 11, right? Here we have 11. We go to be 2. Go to the first one here, right? 2 go here, right? After 2 go here, how many is left? We still have like, so if 8 should go here, so yeah, 2, what is left is 9, right? So 8 can go here. 2 plus 8 is what? Is 10. We still have one more. Here we have what? 1. Can you see that? So the old electron configuration of S is 2, 8, 1. That is, the first share will take 2 electrons, the second share will take 8 electrons, while the third share will take what? The 1 electron, right? This is what is valence electron. This is what the valence electron. It means that this guy will lose what? The electron. So the combining power of what? Of X is +1. So it will be X 1 plus. Right there, X plus. Why is it X plus? Because it's what? It loses this atomos electron to form the octet, right? Let's look at what chlorine. The electron number is still going to be 17, right? Which is going to be 2, 8, 7, right? This guy cannot lose, so you go to gain to have 8 electrons in the atom share, right? So when you gain 1 electron, you become Cl minus, right? So the combining power of S is +1. The combining power of chlorine is -1, right? This is what their oxidation state. Oxidation state of X and oxidation state of what? Minus here. So now before you can write any compound first of all, you have to know their oxidation state, their valency. Just so when you have valency is the number of electrons an element can gain, lose, or share in order to obtain the octet, right? So for you guys to obtain the octet, you have to lose the atom's electron, right? That's why we have +1. For you guys to obtain the octet electron, it have to what, gain 1 electron. So that's why we have what, -1, right? So after knowing this here, this way we are now going to write your chemical formula. So how do you write the chemical formula? Let me write it here. You're going to be X1. Why is 1? Because +1, 1. Right there, X1. Chlorine is 1. Do you understand? So this one here, remember you have X plus and Cl with minus, right? So metal will always come first, no metal will come what later. Do you understand? So this guy will what move here, this guy will move here. What do you have? Now going to be X1 C1, right? So but there's no point putting the 1, so going to be XCl. So the chemical formula or the formula of this chloride is what? XCl. What is the answer here? So the answer is what? Is D. The answer is what? Is D. The answer is what? Is D. Now let us say, for example, here the element X is what? Is 13. Is 13. If it's 13, what will be the formula? Go ahead and do this one here. What will be the formula here? Go ahead and do this one here. Now remember, when it's X, we have this one. When it's 11, we have this one here. But when it's 13, what will be the answer here? So do it for me. Right? So we are done what with first one. We are done with the first one. If you understand the first one here, please leave a comment section that you have to be first. So let me hear from you. Leave a comment section. So let's look at what the second one here. The formula of an oxide of metal M with atomic number 3 is. So now when you say oxide, that is you're going to combine it with oxygen. Remember, the first one is going to be chloride. Then you're going to combine with chlorine, right? Now the atomic number of M here, the atomic number of M is what? Is 3. Now here we have oxygen here, because we say oxide, then you go to what? Oxygen here, right? Now remember, the atomic number of oxygen is 8, right? Hope you understand. So that let's write the electrical configuration of this guy here, so that we can know the numbers of electrons in the world atomos what share. Hope you understand. So that we can know the numbers of electrons in the world atomos what share. So what will happen here? What will happen? So going to be remember the atomic number. The here is a neutral atom, right? Here is what is a neutral atom. Here is what is a neutral atom. So my atomic number here is 3. My electron number here is what? Is 3 2. So going to be 2 1, right? Here we have what? 2 1. Now this guy we have to what? Lose the atomos electron to obtain the octets. So when you lose the atomos electron, that what? M plus M what? Plus. Hope you understand. Now let's look at for oxygen, which is what? 2 what? 6, right? 2 what? 6, because 8. 2 going into the first one, 6 going into what? The second one, right? Combine it together, you have with 8, right? So this guy we have to what? Gain 2 electron. We have to what? Gain 2 electron. Now when you get 2 electron, that what? O2 what? Minus, right? So how do you write the chemical formula? It's very easy. So going to be M1O2. Can you see that? So this guy want to move here. This guy want to move here. What are you going to get? Going to do M2. So M2O1, right? But I don't want to put this one here. So going to be M2O. So the answer is what? The answer is C. The answer is what? Is C. Just the answer is what? Is C. So what about if I say the atomic number is what? The atomic number is 12. What will be the chemical formula? So go ahead and do this one for me. Go ahead and do this one for me. It's very, very important. So we are done with what? Number 1 and what? Number what? 2. We are done with what? Number 1 and what? Number what? 2. Right? So let's look at what number 3 here. The formula of the compound formed in a reaction between tetravalent metal and a tetravalent non-metal. X is what? Look at something here. Now, when a metal lose 1 electron, it forms we have called monovalent, right? Now remember, valent means what? Numbers of electrons that what gain or lose, right? So mono means one, di means two, tri means what? Three, tetra means four. These are to know it. So when you say trivalent metal, remember metal will form a positive charge, right? Metal will form a positive what? Charge. This is called monovalent. This is called what? Mono what? Valent, right? We now have two plus, this is called divalent. It's called di what? Valent because two. Now we now have something like this three plus means what? Trivalent metal. Do you see that? We now have something like this four. We have what? Tetravalent, right? So here are metals will only form a positive charge, right? So these are what? Metals. At the same time, you can also have X minus here. This is called monovalent non-metal. Monovalent what? Non-metal. Hope you understand. We now have something like this X 2 minus called divalent non-metal. When you have something like S 3 minus called trivalent non-metal. We now have something like this S 4 minus mean what? Tetravalent non-metal, right? Now you see that the metal is trivalent. The metal is what? Is tri. Then so I'm using this one here. Trivalent. Why the non-metal is called tetravalent? This is called tetra what? Valent. It's okay. So I'm using this guy and this one. So here we now have what? M3 plus, and here we have X4 what? Minus. Can you see that? Why is it M3 plus? Because it say what? Trivalent metal. Right there. Then this one is what? Tetravalent. That's why we have it. So you hope you understand here. So how do you write the chemical formula? It's very easy. So let it be M, which is what? Is 3. Here we have X, which is what? 4. This guy will move here. This guy will move here. So what is going to form? Going to form M4 X what? 3. Do you understand? So the answer is what? C. Can you see that? Understand that metal will always come first, no metal will come later. Do you understand? So we are done what? Question 1, question 2, question 3. Let me to question 4 real fast. Let me to question 4. So element X and Y have electrical configuration. Look at the electrical configuration here and this respectively. When they combine, they form the formula of the compound form is. So now look at all this one here. Let's have 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So the first one is what? The first one is X. You what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p what? 4, right? So let's look at the other one here. Y is what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p6. Here we have 3x2. Here we have 3p1. Therefore, let's calculate their total electron, right? Here we're going to be 2 plus 2, 4, plus 4, 8. So here we have what? 8. Right? Here, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 6, 10, plus 3, 13. So here we have what? 13. Is okay. So from here, we can figure out the one that is what? Metal, the one that is not metal. So let's say use the old electric configuration, because the old electric configuration give us what? A pure idea of what to do, right? If here is 8, we're going to be what? 2 and 6. 2 and what? 6. Right? 2 and what? 6. Here is 13. Here we have what? 2, 8 and what? And 3. Right? So let me ask you here, which one is metal, which one is not metal? Right? Now, for this guy to obtain the octets, he cannot give out 6 electrons. He has to gain 2 electrons. Right? Now, remember, any atom that or any element that gain electron is what it forms a negative charge and what is a non-metal, right? So for this guy to obtain the octet electron, the combining power is going to be what? The combining power is going to be what? -2. Just as it will be x2 what? Minus. Why is it x2 minus? Why is it x2 minus? Why is it x2 minus? Why? Because here we have 2, 6. How do we get 8? We added everything together. 2 plus 2 plus 4. How do we get it? So it was given from the question. Just as so here we have 8 The one early configuration is 2, 6. This is obvious, right? The main reason why I write like because it makes it obvious. It makes it obvious. So this guy will have to gain 2 electrons to be able to obtain the octet electron. So the combining power or the valency is 2 minus. Hope you understand. On the other hand, here we have Y, which is 13, which is 283. Right? Now, there's no way it will gain electron, rather it will go to what give out what electron, go to give out what the octet electron, so I can behave like what the octet, now the octet, right? So this is going to go what give out what the 3 electron. So now when you go at 3 electron, then go what y3 what plus. Can you see that? So this the commanding power of x of y is 3 plus, while the commanding power of x is 2 what minus. Now if you want to write a chemical formula here, metal, this is the metal. This one is the metal. This is what? No metal. No metal. The metal will come first before the non-metal. Understand here? Metal will always come first, which is what? 3, right? 3. While the non-metal will come later, which is what? 2. So this guy will move here. This guy will move here. What do you have? So you have y2x what? 3. That is it. So what is the answer? The answer is going to be D. y2x what? 3. That is it. So with this now, I believe you should be able to do number 4 for me. So go ahead and try number 4. These are the 2 elements P and Q with atomic number 11 and 8 respectively. Combine chemically to form a compound PX and PY. The respective value of X and Y are. You go ahead and do this one for me. I think I've done something like before. So I will say, yeah. Let me see. Now, as a student, you need to learn how to force your brain to think out of the box, to be able to provide solution to any question you see. That's what makes you a good student, right? So I'm leaving this one for you, so I could be you're able to crack your brain to get the answer. Leave the answer at the comment section, right? All these videos, please kindly share this video to your other friends and kindly recommend them for all other people who are going to write the upcoming JAMB examination. If you have not signed up for our private online class, make sure you sign up for our private online class so that you have access to all our exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube, right? So I can also have some materials and some PDF that will be of help to you in your personal study, right? So send me a DM if you want to be part of our private online class. See you in my next video.